In my role as a professional photographer, I embarked on a unique project that seamlessly merged my passion for photography with a heartfelt desire to make a difference in the lives of adoptable cats. Commissioned by Paws of Hope in Stevensville, MI, I set out to capture the essence of these feline companions in a series of portraits that went beyond the conventional. As I engaged with the cats during the photo shoot, I found myself drawn to the distinctive qualities, individual quirks, and endearing charm that defined each one. Rather than stopping at the realm of traditional portraiture, I felt a compelling urge to delve deeper into the narrative of their lives. Inspired by their unique personalities, I decided to go beyond the tangible and create digital homes for them using the magic of Photoshop. The concept was to craft dreamlike environments tailored to the specific characteristics and preferences of each cat. Every whisker, every glint in their eyes, and every nuance of their personalities served as the guiding elements in the creation of these virtual abodes. Through this artistic endeavor, I aimed not only to showcase their external beauty, but also to provide a glimpse into the imagined spaces where their true selves could flourish. It's essential to recognize that each of these feline companions had endured an extended stay in foster care, patiently waiting for that special someone to recognize the unique qualities that make them extraordinary. My project was born out of a sincere belief that every cat, irrespective of their background, deserves an opportunity to find a forever home where they can be cherished and loved. In bringing this vision to life, I hope to convey the stories of these resilient cats and inspire potential adopters to see beyond the surface, envisioning a future where the unique characteristics of each feline friend are not just acknowledged but celebrated. Through the lens of Photoshop, I sought to encapsulate the spirit of hope and possibility, creating a visual testament to the idea that every cat has a place where they truly belong. As I share these 16 portraits of adoptable cats and their dream houses, my aspiration is that this project will serve as a catalyst for change, prompting individuals to consider the profound impact they can make by opening their hearts and homes to these deserving companions. After all, the virtual homes I've crafted are but a glimpse into the boundless potential for love and happiness that awaits these cats in the real world.